Today we are gonna draw different cartoons. The first cartoon we are just keeping an hand and the fingers and drawing the line with a black sketch and drawing the eyebrows, eyes, nose and the lips and drawing two circles and shading them with a black sketch and again three lines and again we are drawing the circles and then lining with a black sketch and then drawing the thumbs and the nails and drawing inner types of circles and then we are shading with a black sketch and the yellow sketch and with a pink sketch and then we are shading with a brown sketch in the nails over the hands. And the next cartoon, first you are drawing a bee and then drawing the ears and then drawing an eyes, then we are drawing the nose and the lips and the mustache and we are drawing a tail and inner with a black sketch drawing the shapes and shading with the yellow sketch and the orange sketch with the inner part of the body. And next, first we are drawing 7 plus 2, then we are drawing the leg and the ears and the connect the body. Again we are drawing the big spine of the body and connecting to the body we are drawing eyes, nose and shading with a brown sketch, light brown sketch, and again we are shading with a dark brown sketch. And let's go to the next diagram of the cartoon. First we are drawing the circles and then we are connecting the nose and three dots and the tongue and drawing the face and the eyes and then shading with a black sketch and the eyebrows and the ears and then we are just lining the body with and drawing the tail. And then we are going to the next cartoon. First draw the two C's and then connect the body. First draw the ears and then line with the ears and then again draw one more ear and line in the center and draw the eyes and then draw the lips and draw the body and then slow by slow draw the body and then connect the tails and the legs and the hands and draw the tail and then shade with the face color sketch, again shade them with the ears and then draw an heart and shade them. And next, first we are drawing an ears and the body of the face and just drawing the eyes and the nose and the ears and then the tongue and the legs and the body and connecting with the tail and drawing the tail. And next you are drawing a circle, ears, eyes and then small eye and the nose and the lips and then shading with a black sketch lightly and then we are drawing a mustache and drawing H and the one more H and drawing B, two ultas B's and drawing the legs and just shading with a black sketch in the tails and then the legs. And the next cartoon we are going is first drawing a circle, drawing the ears and again inner ear and the eyes, nose and the lips and then drawing the leg and drawing the body and connecting with the leg and drawing the tail. And next we are drawing a monkey. First draw 3, again one more 3 and draw ears, eyes, legs and connect them and draw the tail. And first draw the circle, first draw 1, 2 and draw the heart and eyes, nose and the lips, draw the ears and connect the legs with the 2 and draw the body and draw the tail. And the next is draw the face, ears, eyes and nose and the body and the cat. And next we are drawing 7 plus 1, 2 and the mustache and ears, eyes, nose and the tail. Yeah, that's it for today.